All right, this is an unboxing of New Balance Performance 400 Orthodontics. Right here, these are insoles that New Balance sells for their shoes for extra comfort in there. As you can see right here, these run for about $60 that they sell. It's on the box. It says that they feel great during high impact activities, helps redistribute pressure for comfort. All right, designed by a team of doctors and pediatricians. I don't know if I said that right, but here's the box on the back. They just show what you're getting. They show the insoles right here. It says Aerocell Core for sport and shape retention, cupped heel for added balance and stability, and silver guard top cover. All right. Slow recovery right here, foam for advanced cushioning and protection. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. I'm gonna open it up from the top and then pull out the insoles, and two come in here, one for each foot. And as I touch them, they are pretty solid, but they have some cushion, slow response, I guess, like they were talking about. They simply slide inside of the shoe and fit comfortably according to your size. And that's the unboxing. Here's the underside of it, what it looks like. Not too grippy on the underside. Silver, a little bit of grip on top. And that's the unboxing of New Balance NB Performance 400 insoles. Let me know if you have any questions.